Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing a video review on this Kingpin trailer pin. It's been outdoors all winter. I bought it last fall and I go to use it for the first time this season and it's all rusted up. I can't even get the pin out. I'm gonna try to lubricate it up, but this is pretty pathetic after one winter. Just gonna use some liquid wrench penetrating oil. So now instead of being slightly inconvenienced by having to remove a pin, bend down, I gonna have to break this thing off of here and find my pin.